The other thing that this will do in this car, and this is such an amazing unicorn, incredible car, that doing a conversion like this, sure, could you tap the original plug up here? Could you get ground off the brown, and you'd want to tap the middle wire on both sides. You'd want to hit the middle wire if you want to tap directly off the plug itself. I didn't want to do that because this car, who knows, maybe it'll go back to completely stock, and it has so few miles and is such an amazing trophy car that it wouldn't surprise me someday that it might. So the last thing I want to do is tap the original wires and leave this behind. If I tap a $6 or $7 part, this could just come out later and this will look like just like factory and original. Okay, so here's what we talked about, the couple of adapters that we have. So here's the first adapter you're going to get for the marker. Now the second adapter, if you are an LCI car already and have the original Halos, which has a different style plug, and you're plugging into the new style and the new headlights. So you'll need this adapter if you have an LCI car to plug your existing Halos in to the new Halo plug. Now in this case, and this I'd be using this if that was the case. But in addition, so if you're just wondering about all the extra wiring I've got here, in addition, we also have an LED halo light, which makes it, instead of the kind of that yellowy halo, it makes it that brilliant white of the modern cars. And it has its own plug here as well. So I've tapped into this to provide power and ground out to the Halos. Here's the other end that will plug in at the Halos themselves. And you tap in exactly the same, and then this will plug into the new LED bulb. Now, I really like these kind of splice taps. Now, I left this one open so you can see it. You feed in the line on one side that you're using.